Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we will continue with the remaining part of the lessons. Okay, I will be reading from here. See, Sonabai came with the carrots and tomatoes. After that, Irabai came with the few carrots. Okay, see, I will read from here. I don't have plenty of it. Plenty. In fact, I too was reserving this for tomorrow. What she says, I kept these two carrots for tomorrow. But never mind, if Sonabai can spare her tomatoes, I too can spare this. Means what she's saying, if Sonabai can give tomatoes, I too can give the carrots and make the soup much more tastier. After all, you don't get to see a magic stone making a magic soup every day. Okay. Now the traveler saying, boast to the woman, I am really speechless. You noble ladies, this is giving to be a famous soup. Adds the vegetable stirs and sniffs. Okay. We boast to the लेडीज़ मतलब वो मान दे रहा है उनको, उनके सामने झुक रहा है, बोलता है ये होगा आई एम स्पीचलेस, मेरे पास कोई वो शब्द ही नहीं आपके लिए कुछ कहने के लिए, आप बहुत अच्छे लेडीज़ हो. Okay, and he has all the vegetables and started to stir. It reminds me of the soup I had made some time ago. I had added just a few beans, onions, and I think a little piece of ginger. And what flavor it had! Those are the only little things missing now, but what we have is all good enough. You can't always have the best. What he says, it reminds me the soup that I had made some time ago. मतलब उस सूप की याद दिला रहा जो कुछ दिनों पहले उसने बनाया था. What he added few beans to it, onions and a little piece of ginger for the flavor. इसे इन सब चीज़ों की कमी है. Those are the only things they are missing now. बट इट्स ओके, बोलते फिर भी चल जाएगा, सूप बनेगा, थोड़ी सी फ्लेवर की कमी होगी. यू कांट ऑलवेज हैव द बेस्ट, बोलता ऑल द टाइम यू कांट हैव द बेस्ट वन. वॉट एवर यू प्रिपेयर, हमेशा जब भी कुछ करते तो कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर बार वो अच्छा बने, कभी कभी इतना अच्छा भी नहीं बनता. ओके, तो ये सेइंग द सेम थिंग्स, इट इज़ नॉट ऑलवेज दैट हैव द बेस्ट. नाउ मोतीराम वॉज हियरिंग फ्रॉम देयर नाउ एंटर्स. ओके, Motiram, why not? If you can have the best, why miss the golden chance? If best can be achieved, then why to miss? Here, take this. When help is needed, old Motiram doesn't lag behind. बोलते जब ज़रूरत रहेगी तो मोतीराम पीछे नहीं हटता है. Offers the vegetables. Traveler boasts. हाउ कैन आई हैव फॉरगेट योर जेनरसिटी, बोलते आपकी अच्छाई मैं कैसा भूल सकता हूँ. एड ऑल द वेजिटेबल स्टर्स एंड स्नीफ्स. हाँ, एब्सोल्युटली माउथ वाटरिंग विथ वॉट फ्लेवर, what aroma, what taste, takes a sip, marvelous. If only I could have a pinch of salt, it would be perfect. Now he had it all the vegetables, whatever he gathered from the villagers, tomatoes, carrots, onions, other vegetables. Okay, and he all had it to it. Now he said only pinch of salt is missing. Salt is quite important while cooking because it gives the taste for the food, and now salt was not there, so he was expecting we would get the salt. See Rupabai, I will get some salt and bowls for all of us. What did Rupabai say? I will get some salts and bowls for us. So she go inside and bring the salt and the bowl for having the soup. Traveler, thank you. I was about to suggest that. Exit. Rupabai, exit मतलब जाना. You are all being so kind and helpful. It's an unforgettable experience. बोलते you're so kind and सबको बोल रहा है you're so kind and helpful. It's an unforgettable experience. मतलब ये जो चीज़ है आज का जो ये है वक्त है वो कभी मैं भूल नहीं सकता. एंड ए वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस. रूपाबाई रिटर्न्स विद द सॉल्ट, पेपर एंड बाउल्स. व्हाट शी ब्रिंग्स द सॉल्ट, पेपर एंड बाउल्स. पेपर ये होता है ब्लैक मिर्च, आपको पता होगा, उसका सूप में ये ऐड किया जाता है. and bowls. Travelers had the salt stirs on and serves the soup to everyone. Traveler what he adds the salt to it, pepper and all everything, and he serves all. सबको दे देते. Rupa bhai, how wonderful! You can taste the goodness of the fresh vegetables. Now what she's saying, the soup was wonderful. So she states the goodness of the fresh vegetables. Now Sonava is saying, yes, unbelievable. No one would think that this soup was made with a stone. See what she is saying? Nobody will believe that this soup was made by stone. See, it is nothing like stones. Stone didn't have the magic. The magic was in that man because he made the other peoples come together and bring the vegetables and prepare a soup so that he can he was hungry, and that is stomach is also fulfilled, his wish was also fulfilled, and everybody has such a delicious soup. Okay, Motiram, you said it, such delicious vegetable soup and made with a stone. Hirabai, I wonder what happens to the sun. Now what Hirabai is saying, I wonder what happens to the sun. मतलब वो जो स्टोन वहाँ पे डाला था सूप के अंदर, पानी के अंदर, पता नहीं उसका क्या हुआ रहेगा. डज इट मेल्ट अवे, क्या वो पिघल गया, गर्म हीट होते होते क्या पिघल गया क्या. Traveler, oh no, it remains the same. What is telling traveler? No, it remains the same. Takes out the stone from the pot. Take a look. This was the stone that made the soup. I said to the audience, have you guessed the secret of the stone soup? Smiles. You can make it even without the stones. Curtain as everyone enjoys the soup. What the traveler saying? Traveler saying that the stone is as it is. Stone जैसे पहले डाला गया था वैसे ही के वैसे ही है. He removes the stone. वो stone वहाँ से निकालता है और उनको दिखाता है. तो what the last में ये जो दो सेंटेंस है वो हमारे लिए ऑडियंस के लिए पूछा जा रहा है कि आपको लगता है ये सूप जो बना है वो स्टोन सूप की वजह से हुआ है या स्टोन की वजह से हुआ है या इसके बिना भी सूप हो सकता है, नेचुरली सूप बन सकता है, हम स्टोन का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. दैट वॉज द ट्रैवलर्स आइडिया टू मेक द विलेजेस ब्रिंग टुगेदर विद द वेजिटेबल्स एंड ऑल. सब वेजिटेबल्स ताकि लेके आए और उसे काफ़ी भूख लगी थी और वो लोग कोई कुछ नहीं दे रहे थे, तो एक तरीका उसने एक चालाकी इस्तेमाल की जिससे लोग सारे इकट्ठा हो गए और सूप भी बना लिए, खुद भी अपने पेट भर लिए और बाकी लोगों को भी दिया. Okay, this was one of the funny story. So this lesson is completed. I hope you understood this story very well. Thank you.